Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Kohler fuel pump is probably one of the most critical components for your engine's performance, ensuring a consistent and reliable flow of fuel to keep your equipment running smoothly and efficiently, whether you're tackling demanding landscaping projects, powering agricultural machinery, or maintaining your favorite outdoor power equipment. A high-quality fuel pump is essential for preventing frustrating stalls and ensuring maximum uptime. Number 5. HIPA fuel pump for Kohler small engines. Ensure your small engine runs smoothly with this high-quality fuel pump. It's designed for consistent fuel delivery, keeping your equipment powered up. This pump is compatible with a broad range of Kohler engines, including popular CH and CV series models. It's also a direct replacement for specific part numbers. Featuring a vacuum-style design, it utilizes engine pressure to efficiently pump fuel. It's ideal for engines up to 25 horsepower and compatible with gasoline. Designed to fit standard 1/4-inch fuel lines, installation is straightforward. Get your equipment back up and running quickly with this essential part. Built to last, this fuel pump offers dependable performance for your lawn mower or generator. It's a cost-effective solution for replacing worn-out pumps. Please check your specific engine model and part numbers before purchasing to ensure compatibility. We want to make sure you get the right part for your needs. What we like. This fuel pump offers extensive compatibility across many Kohler engine series and even some Honda models. Its vacuum-style operation is efficient for its intended applications. If you have a small engine up to 25 horsepower and need a reliable replacement, especially if you're concerned about ethanol resistance, this is a solid choice. What people say. This fuel pump is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. It provides consistent fuel flow and has solved my engine sputtering issues. The build quality feels solid and it was easy to install. Number 4. DEF fuel pump kit for Kohler engines. Ensure your Kohler engine runs smoothly with this high-quality fuel pump kit. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. This kit is a perfect replacement for various Kohler engine models, including the CH series. Installation is straightforward and convenient. It replaces a wide range of OEM part numbers, ensuring a precise fit for your specific needs. Check the compatibility list to confirm. Designed for user-friendliness, this fuel pump kit makes maintenance simple. Get your equipment back up and running quickly. Before placing your order, please verify that this part is compatible with your engine model. This ensures a hassle-free experience. This fuel pump is built to last, providing consistent fuel delivery for optimal engine operation. It's a dependable choice for your equipment. What we like. This kit is designed as a straightforward replacement, making installation convenient. It covers a wide range of part numbers, increasing the likelihood it's the right fit for your Kohler engine. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement and want to ensure easy fitting, this option is ideal. What people say. The fuel pump is a direct replacement for the original part and fits perfectly. It provides consistent fuel flow and keeps the engine running smoothly. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. Kohler Fuel Pump Kit 12559-2S. Ensure your equipment runs smoothly with genuine parts. This is an OEM Kohler replacement fuel pump kit. This specific kit is identified by part number 12559-2S. It's designed for optimal performance and compatibility. Keep your engine fueled correctly with this reliable fuel pump. It's built to the high standards you expect from Kohler. This fuel pump kit is a direct replacement for your existing unit. Installation is straightforward, ensuring minimal downtime. Using the correct replacement parts is crucial for maintaining peak performance. Trust this genuine Kohler kit to get the job done. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part directly from Kohler, ensuring the highest quality and perfect fit for your engine. If you prioritize using original manufacturer parts for guaranteed performance and longevity, this is the one to go for. It's perfect for those who want the assurance of an authentic Kohler component. What people say. This fuel pump is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. It provides consistent fuel flow and has resolved issues with engine sputtering. The construction feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 2. Kohler Fuel Pump 243-9316. Ensure your small engine runs smoothly with this high-quality fuel pump. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This part is a direct replacement for Kohler part number 2439316S and also replaces KH 25-393-26S. You can trust its perfect fit. It is compatible with a wide range of Kohler engine models, including 55916, 55999, 61500, and many more. Check the list to confirm your model. As an authorized Kohler engine parts dealer, we guarantee the authenticity of this fuel pump. You're getting a genuine Kohler part. Your package will contain one fuel pump, ready to be installed. Keep your equipment running with this essential component. What we like. This is an OEM replacement part from an authorized Kohler dealer, offering reliability and a direct fit. It's specifically listed for numerous Kohler engine models. If you're seeking a dependable, direct fit replacement and appreciate purchasing from an authorized source, this pump is a great option. What people say. The fuel pump is a direct fit and works perfectly. Easy to install and functions as expected. High-quality replacement part that restored my engine's performance. Number 1. Fuel pump for Kohler K241, K341 engines. Ensure your Kohler engine runs smoothly with this high-performance fuel pump. It's designed to meet or exceed OEM standards for reliable operation. This fuel pump is a direct replacement for various Kohler engine models, including the K-Series and Magnum. It also replaces several OEM part numbers for your convenience. Experience top-tier performance with this fuel pump. Each unit is rigorously tested before shipping to guarantee quality and dependability. The images provided are of the actual product, ensuring you receive exactly what you need. Please verify the part number to confirm compatibility with your equipment. Your purchase includes one fuel pump along with all necessary accessories as shown in the pictures. Get your engine back up and running with this comprehensive kit. What we like. This fuel pump is specifically designed for Kohler's K-Series and Magnum engines, offering high performance that meets or exceeds OEM standards. If you own older Kohler K-Series or Magnum engines and need a reliable, tested replacement that's also cross-referenced with many other part numbers, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This fuel pump is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. The engine started right up after installing the new fuel pump. It provides consistent fuel flow to the carburetor, ensuring smooth engine operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.